Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to explain how to use the Excel function IsEven. The IsEven function is used to determine if a number is even. If the number is even, the function will return true. If the number is not even, the function will return false. In this example, we want to find if the arguments in column A are even. To check if column A is even, we will enter in the following formula. Equals IsEven, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. Looking at the results, -3 in A2 is not even, so the value is false. 6.9 in A3 is even, the function truncates the decimal leaving 6. 5 in A4 is not even. 0 in A5 is considered even, so the value is true. -2 in A6 is an even number, and in A7, since the value is not a number, the result is a value error. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.